In today's video, I'm going to teach you quick guide set up Shopify notifications. We're going to take your store's default emails and make them look like they came from a premium brand. This is quick, clear, and focused on results, so you can upgrade your customer experience without getting lost in code. Start by opening your Shopify admin, then head to Settings and select Notifications. Think of this page as the command center for everything your store automatically sends, from order confirmations to shipping updates. Instead of opening each template and tweaking them one by one, look for the Customize button at the top. That single button is the shortcut to consistent professional branding across every notification, all at once. Inside the global editor, upload your store logo. A clean, high-quality version with a transparent background usually looks best and keeps things crisp on both desktop and mobile. Next, choose an accent color that matches your website's palette. This accent controls key visual elements like buttons and links, so pick something on brand with enough contrast to be easy to read. If your site uses a specific hex code, use the same one here for a seamless look from storefront to inbox. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview. This helps you gauge spacing, legibility, and how the logo sits with the text. Keep the logo size reasonable so it looks polished without overwhelming the message. When you're happy, hit Save to apply your branding across the board. Now it's time to confirm everything looks right in a real inbox. Open any notification template and use the test email option. Send it to yourself and check it on both desktop and mobile. Look for clean alignment, readable buttons, and a cohesive color scheme. If anything feels off, return to Customize, adjust the logo size or accent color, save again, and resend a test until it feels exactly on brand. With that, your store's notifications are now professionally branded. Customers will recognize your logo instantly. Your messages will look trustworthy from the subject line to the call to action, and every touchpoint will reinforce your brand identity. You accomplish this without editing dozens of individual templates, and any future notifications will automatically inherit your branding from the global editor. Quick recap to lock it in. Go to Settings, open Notifications, click Customize, add your logo, choose your accent color, save, and send a test email. That's all it takes to transform generic messages into premium, consistent communications that build confidence and support more sales.